Hello, and in this session I will share about how to create a Google project and associate a Google billing as well. So let's get started. First, I will share you how to log in on the Google Cloud Console. So if you already log in via your Gmail account, you can easily connect via your Google Cloud Console. So let me share it to you. First, you need to log in with the Google Cloud Console. So let me open cloud.google.com. This will ask you the username and password of your Gmail account. If you already log in with your Gmail account, you don't need to put it your username password again. Just click on the console button and it will redirect you on the Google Cloud Console. Now in the Google Cloud Console we have already the project called the GCCG Weekdays. Now I am going to create a new project, right? How could I create a new project? Click on this project option, select a project. Instead of select these project, I will go and create a new project. Click on new project. Now Google Cloud Associate. So this is my name of the Google Cloud Associate. As you can see, the project ID is automatically created, right? I can edit my project ID, but once the project is live, you cannot change or edit the project ID. So what I will do, I would like to use the same name as a project ID. Okay, so the capital letter is not supported here, dash is not supported here, small letter. Okay, project ID is not available. Now dash 111. It says the project ID is not available. So better to use the project ID which Google provide directly. Now this is the project ID because project ID is unique globally, right? So if the project ID is unique, you cannot change or update. Now the location is organization. So we cannot set up the organization because we don't have any organization right now. For the organization we have to set up the directory service, so we don't have right now. So click on create. Now it's creating a project. This is the basic step of creating a project. Now it's successfully created. Let me go and select this project, this one. This is the project which we created. Now we are inside the project. Under this project, what we need to do, we can go and set up the billing, because remember that the billing is outside your Google project. Billing is not a part of a Google project, so we need to should be outside the project. Now if I go to the overview, my billing account, manage billing account, and check how many billing account do we have. So we have one billing account here, and the projects are associated only with this billing account. We have 3 projects and all 3 projects are attached with this main billing account. Now you have an option either to use this Google Cloud Associate on the existing billing account or create a new billing account. Now I'm going to create a new billing account. Create account, my billing account 1. Let me write it Google Cloud Associate, country Pakistan, USD 7. Now I created my Google account billing. This is my card. Okay, submit and start. You will have to add the card which we have already discussed in the theoretical session, that without adding a debit or credit card it will not work. Now the next step is to set up the project with the right account. Now we have this account, as you can see, and go to the project, check. All 3 projects have only one account, my billing account and main billing account. Okay, now what I need to do, I just need to change the billing account change billing account Google Cloud. Okay, now how many billing accounts do we have? we have we have multiple billing accounts, but some are active and some are closed. So these accounts are already closed, these two are active. So if I go to the my projects and check Google Cloud Associate, you can see this is the Google Cloud Associate billing account. Now what's the billing account? What is inside the billing account? Billing inside the billing account, you can check your debit or credit card in the payment methods in this options. Payment settings, here we can set up the payment settings. Here is the payment account ID, payment account nicknames, country, region, accounts, and other options, right? Now the second option is the payment method. Now the payment method is actually the debit or credit card, which we have already added in here. Without the debit or credit card, it will not work properly. Now go to the report option. Under report, we can see here that how much utilization do we have, and we can not only save or print but also share with our clients as well, which resources uses what type of billing, right? If I click on the cost table, there's no available cost breakdown, budgets and alerts, and billing export. Now these are the options which we can use in order to export the billing. Rest of the items we can use, like the cost estimation, pricing, if you want to set up the proper pricing and estimation. So this is all about the project and billing. Now we can easily delete the project and billing. What I need to do, just go to outside the billing, click on the product overview dashboard page, and the dashboard page click on the project side, and under project side click on the Google Cloud Associate. Now we are going to shut down this project. Click on the project setting, migration or shutdown. Now remember, shutdown means the account will be available for the next 30 days, and after 30 days it will automatically delete it. Click on the shutdown. Project ID, we have the project ID compose card, this one. Click on this and paste it. Shut down anyway. Remember, once you start shutdown, the data will be available for the next 30 days, and after that it will be delete all of the items. As you can see, project is pending deletion, is now shutdown state and scheduled to be deleted after the 8th November 2023. This is the max which Google Cloud could hold your data and ask multiple times until they delete the data and the machines. Now the project is on shutting down state. The next step is to delete the billing account if we don't need it. So you have to make sure that the billing account is not associated with any other project, so you can go and delete the billing account as well. Click on this, and we can check the account management, disable billing or close billing account, right? So disable billing for those who want to suspend billing for some time, and close billing account means the billing account for permanent level. So now billing account is closed and it will be deleted after some time. So what we discussed, we created a billing account, we created a project, and then after that we deleted the project and the billing account as well. Hope you understand the today's session. See you in the next lecture. Thank you.